Spider. Bronze wheels with the yellow calipers. Looks really good. Looks really good. Black 720 looks absolutely mega with the stealth alloys, the yellow calipers, yellow stitching inside. Aventador SV in yellow like TGE's car. This car was at the collection video I did for my Lamborghini, my friend Gavin driving this one today. 4-wheel drive, should do pretty well. And now look at this. Wow. I'm not sure if there's any YouTube videos of an 812 Superfast drag racing. Gold wheels, red calipers, absolutely beautiful. Look at those huge exhausts. 800 PS in this car, should do well. Rear wheel drive. Look at these cars. And look at this runway. We're going to be racing all 4 today. Let's see who wins. The first race is going to be the Lamborghini Aventador SV against the Performante Spider. 1, 2, 3, 4, go! The Aventador SV won the first race, so we're going to do winner stays on. Look at this lovely 812 we've got. So we've got 789 brake horsepower against 740 brake horsepower. The 812 should win, but this has got 4-wheel drive, so it's going to be very interesting. Let's see. Amazing. That was like neck and neck the whole way. The Ferrari 812 Superfast won. So now we've got the McLaren 720S. Now everyone has been leaving some nasty comments about the previous drag race with the purple 720S. So we're not using launch control today. One of the reasons we're not using it is because sometimes the wheels spin up when you use launch and it does burn out the clutch. So we've got 710 brake horsepower in the McLaren, 789 in the Ferrari, both rear wheel drive. I think it's going to be neck and neck. Let's see how quickly the McLaren gets off the line. 1, 2, 3, 4, go! When I started a YouTube channel, I never thought I'd end up with this exotic machinery in front of me, drag racing. I don't think it gets much better than this. Performante Spider, Aventador SV, Ferrari 812 Superfast, McLaren 720S. We're going to see how they all do against each other. Let's do it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I think that was epic.